Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair. Guys, our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we'll show you how to remove and replace tag light, license plate light on CLK320, guys. Stay with us, we'll show you now 1 second what we need to do. If you have the W208, which is from same model, I think from 97 all the way until 2003, the right way for the lights, okay, you can see you have two lights here, okay, one left, one right, of course, is to remove. There is 3 screws. In our case, one is missing. And let me show you what the problem is now. Sometimes they'll come loose, and when they come loose, it's really easy to replace the lights. But in our case, this one is turning freely, and the problem is they corroded too much. So you have to approach the situation from underneath the trunk. So now we need to remove a couple clips. Okay, you pull the centerpiece out like that, and once you do, you can pull the whole clip out of the way now. Okay, same thing. Now you need to be very careful how you pull it from here, because this is the place that this is the thing that detects if the trunk is open or closed. You can pull the carpeting down, and now that's where the tag light is. And the problem is for that screw right here, those nuts corrode really bad and they won't come off. You can see somebody even tried in the future, and one of them is even missing. So you can actually approach the light bulbs, those are the light bulbs, from behind. You don't even need to remove. All we need to do is just pull the bulb out, kind of like pull it out of there. Okay, careful not to cut yourself, wear gloves. When you get a new one, okay, all you have to do is just push it in. Stay with us, we're gonna show you how to do that now. Okay, so you need to get one end first and kind of like pry it a little bit and push up. It'll be easier if you have a small screwdriver, so you can help it there. Okay, like that. We're almost there. Not yet all the way. Okay, you can see it's almost in, and now you can push right here. Okay, until it locks in place, you need to make sure that it locks right here and it's not going anywhere. We recommend using gloves, guys, because otherwise you can cut yourself if the bulb breaks. But hey, it's ready now. So all we have to do, install that carpet now, and let me show you how to do that. You need to make sure you go underneath the lock right here. Okay, you need to go around the switch, push in the outer piece, push the middle piece like that. Okay, and we need to go ahead and install all of them. We removed 4, and this will be the whole procedure, guys. So thank you for watching. Please subscribe. And so guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.